Today is day one of the PA School Personal Statement Challenge with a daily task that'll take about 10 to 20 minutes. And at the end of 2 weeks, you should have a rough draft of your personal statement for PA School. So today's task is a brain dump where we are getting into your why PA. When you are writing a personal statement for PA School, the prompt is something along the lines of explain your motivation for becoming a physician assistant. So basically, why PA? You don't need to come up with another theme because it's already done for you. And you can really just dive into showing how the PA profession is exactly what you want to do, how it's the perfect fit for you, and how you've prepared to do that. For today's challenge, I want you to set a timer for 10 minutes. And I want you to write why PA at the top of your paper and just really let your thoughts out. So you can do it as a paragraph, you can do bullet points, you can do a mind map, and then we're going to have a starting point that we can expand on of your YPA. Make sure that your essay content is exactly where it needs to be. So that's day one of 2 weeks. Video each day, come back and see it, and you will have a draft of your personal statement done for PA School.